Hello everyone. Today we'll have a look at a broker called CMTrading, your local international broker as they call themselves. This is an African broker, so unless you are from the region or from other countries where trading with this broker is allowed, in other parts of the world you are not allowed. For instance, this broker is not licensed into the European Union, just to give you an example. But anyways, for traders in that part of the world, as I know that you are many, this looks like an interesting broker, even though I would have some comments, to say the least. First of all, this is the homepage, or the first impact, the first approach, the first impression that this broker gives us. And other than the fact that this is an African broker and it shows a few ebooks and webinars and so on, there's not much to know except that there are 150 tradable assets. Spreads from the 1.5 pips on the Euro US dollar now already tells us something interesting, to say the least. 1.5 pips spread on the Euro US dollar pair in 2021 is more than a lot. If I am allowed to make this kind of comparison. I mean, nowadays, maybe not in Africa, but in some other parts of the world, you will have spreads from 0.1 and rising, not 1.5. It also tells us that this is most likely a broker with a fixed spread and not with a variable spread. And also it tells us that if the spreads are not variable and fixed at this kind of rate, then there is no ECN or straight through processing execution of this broker. But this is just the first impression, just having a look. Up to 200, 1 to 200 leverage. Okay, let's move forward. Trade like a champion. We see here that this guy is advertising for this broker a bit of an unprofessional look here, because these banners are not aligned where they are supposed to be. They were supposed to be right here. Not to mention that if you click one of them, that it gives you an error. So not professional at all. I mean, would you trust your portfolio or your execution, your trading strategy, to a broker that it's not able to take care of its website, for instance? I would have my doubts. Anyways, let's try to be objective. There is a contact us page here, so this is good. There is a live chat option. What do we have next? A daily market review. And then we go with the services platforms. This broker offers MetaTrader 4, obviously the world's most popular trading platform. 101 trading. Copycat. Copycat refers to social trading, if you want, when master account shares its trading strategy with other followers' accounts, and the following accounts replicate the strategy in such a way that they adjust the risk and everything. So the broker earns from commissioning, from the commissions on the trade. What do we have here? Trusts, FSCA regulation, segregated accounts, SSL. Now SSL comes from secure sockets layer. Is not that it's something that you will want to advertise on a broker, on a brokerage house website, because any modern website on any area, not necessarily trading, right, or FX trading, any website has this SSL, the encrypted information. So that's not something to brag about. But segregated accounts, it is something to brag about. So if this is true, it means that the broker holds the funds received from its clients in separated accounts from the regular business account. So the broker runs the business normally without touching the segregated, the funds segregated in some other accounts and then regulated with FSCA. Let's go a bit here to see what do we have. The Financial Sector Conduct Authority in South Africa. Well, this is because this is an African brokers, so normally that it is regulated by FSCA, segregated accounts. It's a good plus for CMTrading. CMTrading, what do we have here? All the deposit and withdrawal methods possible, trading education, masterclass, MT4 review, NFP report. Let's just go on one just to see what it means. Oops, another error on the NFP report. Let's go on what? On the blog, let's see what's on the blog. Another error on the blog. And we should stop at this moment here because this does not sound like a business well run, first of all. Second of all, it doesn't look like a broker that one should entrust with the funds. Probably if you go on the login or open accounts, I'm sure that this will work. But if you cannot make anything out of all the info that the broker offers here, then there's a big problem. Let's see, maybe we find out what are the indices trading. Nothing is working on this broker. So with all due respect, we must end this review here unless and until CMTrading solves its presentation or the way it presents its information to its customers. Then this shows nothing but disrespect for clients. Have a great day. Bye-bye.